Hello, my name is Mahsa from PADS group of RWTH University of Aachen. So I'm going to present the application of process mining and system dynamic together. If we start from here, we can take a look inside our event log. So we use the synthetic event log here. And then if we upload the event log, we can map the important features here for our event log. So if there is no start and complete time for event log, both should be mapped on the same features. So you can see the basic information of the event log. So if you discover the directly follows graph of the process that we designed, and also you can by right click here, you can download the provided event log, which is ready for further process. So here you can test the time window, then we use the generated event log here, and then we provide several time pattern that we think they are good time pattern, and then there are most periodic time pattern. Here you can see that the patterns are assessed, and then you can see the pattern via 1 hour, 8 hour, and more. And then also we trained several time series model, which shows the error here, and then you can pick the best time window to extract the logs for simulation, which we call it ST-log. You can also do the same here, but for different time window if you want, and different level. For example, for organization, and then we want it for 1 day. Then if we submit, you can see that all the organizations are captured here, and then you can choose and show the result. And also you can download the system dynamic file, which is a simulation file here, and then you can see some statistical information about the extracted features for this organization or other aspects that you want to discover. Now it's time to see the relationship between these. So we can use one of the discovered time ST-log system simulation log for ourselves, which, for example, here I use this active 1 hour, and then we want to see both correlation of linear and non-linear. So here, if we want to see the relationship between all the variables, and for instance, here we have this service time, and then we designed the service time in the process that we use the event log, that it has the negative exponential nonlinear relationship with the number of cases in the process. So you can see as well it's captured during 1 hour, and this is also for the nonlinears. Here we have this time window shift option, that if you put it, the relationship between variables are discovered during different time window, not pairwise. And then here you can see the more detailed information and the relationship for all of them, that you can see between for these variable between all the other variables. And then here we can the strong and weak relationship between variables are captured, and then we can create the ST-log causal loop diagram for from our ST-log or the conceptual model. So if we look, we can see the directly the causal loop diagram here, which shows the relationship between the variables, and also we can see the sign of the relationship as well, and then the value of the relationship, which is positive or negative. And also we can see that here, for example, service time has a negative effect on arrival finish rate, which is expected if it goes up the average service time, so the finish rate goes down. Then the next step is that we map the variables that we have for the stock and flows. And then based on the number of variables in our ST-log, we can see the different number of stocks. So here you can see the model for visualization. And also here you can see the model, you can download the model, as you can see here, and then you can see the model in any software that you want, and then you can open the model and insert any different equation that you want. Here we can we are able to do the validation and simulation, which we need the ST-log. So we go into the outputs, and then we use the ST-log that we use for the relation detection, and also the ST model that generated here in our models format. This is the newly generated one for one stock. And if we submit here, then you can see the variables that you can see the validation. Here you can see the validation, pairwise validation, distribution, and distribution of difference, which we haven't changed the models and the equations, so the values are identical here, but you can change them in any software using the generated model. Thank you for your attention.